Hi, I'm Thomas Dawson with Dumpster Intervention Patrol, and I'm here with my son, Thomas Dawson, with Dumpster Intervention Patrol. I wanted to talk to you folks today in regards to collaborating, how we can add value to you and your business. And what I'd like to share with you is just some of the businesses that we work together with and that we can add value, either in service or even revenue. For example, a few of our businesses that we can work with that are some of our favorite fortes is artificial grass cleaning. We can work with install companies, installers, wholesalers to offer a service package to add value in maintaining a clean area, and not just cleaning, but also watching over the product. We all buy warranties. Some of them have to be serviced, like say your air conditioning. If I show up to your house and it's broken and you've never had it serviced, well, it's technically out of warranty. Well, that's the same thing with some of the products we put in our backyard, like artificial grass as well. So we can add value by keeping it clean, knocking down some of that dust and debris, some of the nasty smells if you have animals, for example. Another one would be solar panels. We work with solar panel companies and we can maintain those to make sure you are maximizing your efficiencies throughout the year as well. Thomas, do you have any other ones?
Yeah, multiple, like window screens, film companies, cleaning those windows off, gutter installation companies, more too. Like you said, I liked how you said the turf. Definitely collaborating with those companies would be a good idea.
Exactly. And here's the thing too, is we can spin off. We can work with, again, what's our company name? Dumpster Intervention Patrol. Bins and dumpsters, our forte of cleaning, sanitizing, deodorizing, right? We have our waste management companies and our recycle companies and our Parkers and Sons, and there's a throw out to you guys. But listen, we can add value by following and cleaning the cans. Even though we dump these things, they still smell, unfortunately. And we can follow by disinfecting and removing viruses, creating ways of freshening our environment and making sure our families and neighborhoods are clean and fresh all the time. We are able to disinfect and fog, say, your parks, the playgrounds. All our kids go. We're obviously getting through this COVID situation. We can maintain and prevent from this coming back. If you want any more information, text or call our number below, or go to our website, dumpsterip.com.